Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kendrys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload materials to Clip Studio Assets and how you can put the thumbnail and things like that. So you can share your poses and whatever materials you make, you can share with other people. So let's say I have this pose. So I have it there already. If you click, you can see the material. Here you can add the image to change it. So something I would recommend is let's say make a new file, make a new file. Make it 240 by 240. I think that's like the size you need for the thumbnail. So you can see this one is 240 by 240 pixels, and then I'm gonna bring this pose here. Okay. So what I can do then, I save it as a JPEG or something like that, right? Just to have the 2D image, and I call it dash thumbnail. So you can go here to open the Clip Studio Assets, and you can go here to manage materials, and let's say I pick this one, dash, and there's these different options. Like here you can go and edit like the information, or just look at the information, but I mean, it doesn't really, I wouldn't put it here, it doesn't really matter. You can actually put all of that here, so you don't have to go here. You can just go here to publish. I'll leave it like that, and then here you see it says 240 by 240 pixels. It's like the size that they want. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna click that, and you see I got the thumbnail already. And also, if you want, you can just have a description on what it is. I guess if it's something more complicated, like some auto action, and you want to explain how you use it, or things like that, or brushes, you want to explain how to use it, and you can put a big description. But this is really simple, just a pose. So you can put here pose and the tags. So always put the thumbnail. I think it is better because it makes people more likely to download it. Like, they see it right away what it is. So you can go here and check what is what applies and things like that, and then you upload it as a temporary upload. And then it's still not uploaded. Now you have to go here to my upload. So you see it says unpublished, and you gotta go here, I think. Okay, preview and post. And it gives you this preview. This is how it's gonna look pretty much when you click on it. And I don't have any pictures or anything, but if you have a picture, it will be there in the description, the tags, and then you go to execute post, right? So I'm gonna go here. So that's pretty much how you can upload materials, and how you can change the icons for the poses and materials and things like that. It's a really quick video. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.